Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the brain. Number 1. The brain is an organ. Number 2. It is the command center of the body. Number 3. The brain is protected by the skull. Number 4. The brain is a complex organ. Number 5. It is the most energy consuming organ of the body. Number 6. Memories are stored and recalled by the brain. Number 7. Sleep is essential for the brain health and function. Number 8. It controls everything from breathing to decision making. Number 9. Brain disorders can affect thinking and behavior. Number 10. It continues to develop throughout childhood and adolescence. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.